Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. This is 12th of April, being Saturday, 2025. Sometimes I will just wake up to see news in Nigeria and I will just be laughing. Normally it is not something I supposed to laugh about. But now let me tell you why I'm laughing because of this news that criminals cut away National Security Advisor Ribadu's office Hilux during Juma'at prayer in Abuja. The reason why I'm laughing is that 2 days ago, the same National Security Advisor, he was granting interview and he started lying. He was lying and he said that the crime have reduced 90% in Nigeria. 90%. Whether he really think about what he said, National Security Advisor, he pronounced that crime rate has reduced by 90% in Nigeria. We are living in falsehood. Everybody is just doing the way they like. Minister of Information was granting interview with BBC or Al Jazeera. That was the day before yesterday. He still put on the same lies about Boko Haram and all those things. Okay, he asked them to ignore Governor Zulu, who is raising alarm that Boko Haram has taken over Borno State. We are living in falsehood. Okay, there is nothing that will make this country to prosper. Lies, deceit. As far as you are comfortable in your position, you can lie from now till tomorrow and you think nothing will happen. Now, during prayer, criminals cut away Hilux. I'm talking about Hilux. Criminals cut away Hilux. And Office of the National Security Advisor has about 50 military, police, civil defense. If you have seen the National Security Advisor convoy, you would think that it is president that is moving. All right, Sahara reporters made a publication that reads that criminals cut away NSA Ribadu's office Hilux during Juma'at prayer in Abuja. And this is the details of the article. It reads that the Federal Capital Territory FCT Police Command has initiated a search following the theft of a black Toyota Hilux vehicle belonging to the Office of the National Security Advisor, Nuhu Ribadu, which was stolen during Friday's Juma'at prayer in Abuja. It was gathered that the vehicle was parked around 1:05 p.m. opposite the Abuja Municipal Area Council complex in Area 10, while the official attended prayers at a nearby mosque. Security source Zagazola Makama disclosed the incident via his ex, formerly Twitter handle, revealing that the NSA official returned from the mosque only to find the vehicle missing. According to him, a source said the theft was immediately reported to the Garaki Police Division at approximately 2 p.m., leading to a swift response by law enforcement. Meanwhile, the FCT Police Command promptly activated a stop and search operation at various checkpoints and across all entry and exit points in the capital city. Police authorities confirmed that investigations are ongoing and all efforts are being made to apprehend the culprits and recover the vehicle. The command said it had intensified efforts to track down the fleeing suspect and recover the stolen Hilux. I think that is a story for the gods. The end of the article. So, if the Office of the National Security Advisor, their Hilux could be stolen in Abuja while praying, the situation surrounding Abuja now is even scary. The criminals will come to your house and do what they want to do against you. They will steal your car, kidnapping. Yesterday, I just reported about, okay, that was 2 days ago. I just reported about the APC director, administrative director, that was kidnapped. Then after 1 month, they killed him. They hid it. They did not tell the APC that they killed him. They started negotiating for the ransom until APC now paid 50 million naira ransom to the Fulani terrorists. Okay? Because their identity was later disclosed that they really carried out the kidnapping. And what happened next? They now told the APC party that we have killed your director. We just want to collect the money from you. It happens in Abuja. And APC closed their office. As I speak to you, APC national office is closed, totally closed down until 15th of this month. It's a pity. Sometimes we talk like this, people think that, we are just talking because someone paid us to talk or someone is motivating us to talk. Nothing is motivating us. Imagine if it is my car they stole. Where would I start from? If they can steal the office of the NSA and they go, who are you? They will steal, okay, you won't even talk. You go and meet police will even collect money from you. They will not do what made them to collect the money from you. And if you talk more than that, they will frame you up. We are living in a crazy world, and Nigeria is an example of a crazy world. If you have never been to Nigeria, I don't think you will say that you are living in a crazy world. So many countries that you hear that are under war, under crisis, as in the things in those countries, you can't even compare it with the things in Nigeria. Where are we going to start from? What is the exit strategy, if not the disintegration of this country? Anyway, a lot of people will come here to say that, oh, it's a car theft. It happens everywhere in the world. No problem. It happens everywhere in the world. But also rate the death rate, also rate the insecurity situation, use it to compare other countries' own. A country that the UN is not interested in, the whole world is not interested in, but the death toll in Nigeria surpass everywhere in the world where there is crisis. Quote me everywhere. I am saying this. If you need data, come and meet me. And when I give you data, go and verify every data I give you. Go to that village, make calls. You will confirm that we are not here to play. We know what is going on. From around the country, everywhere, especially the rural areas where journalists won't go to. There are so many rural areas in Nigeria that are under attacks of the bandits, the terrorists, that have lost, in this 2025, they have lost up to 400 people. Nobody will report it, but it is happening. We are not even talking about the tax they have paid to Nakurawa swap in the north. And that is what they want to impose in Enugu State. Sacking villagers, doing all sorts of things. And the politicians who own those states, who are the chief security officer like Mba of Enugu State, we say that he have tried his best. But if he have tried his best, meaning he's not supposed to be a governor, because his best is not enough. He did nothing. You know, another thing I want to say is that before, I made a video, I said if the Southeast really want to be free from insecurity, that they should free Nnamdi Kanu. It's so simple as that. People did not understand what I actually meant. It's only Nnamdi Kanu that have the influence to control and stop the insecurity that is going on. The Yoruba clergy that I posted today, you saw what he was saying, that people should prepare for war, right? Oh, it's a normal video. A lot of people will be saying that. Don't worry about that. Don't panic. Don't panic, don't panic. That was what they told the Bonyi people that led to the death of 30-something people on Sunday and burning of almost 31 houses. There is a need to worry, and the time to worry is now or never.